Mwirereri wa metha ya Kagoni uri mwega njitagwo Monica Kagoni ngikunyita ugeni muthenya wa umuthi thini wa channel itu na ngagucokeria ngatho ni guthie na mbere na guturumirira na gutucagura na gutusupport kama kawaida. Twambite metha itu guku county ya Nyeri kuri muthenya specific tukaga guthikiriria ng'ano kuma county ya Nyeri, and we are so grateful to the Nyeri people ni gutusupport na gwitikira kwaragia haha metha-ini ya Kagoni. Nao muthenya wa umuthi nyitite ugeni mutumia umwe witagwo Angela Wanjiku, na gitumi gia kurehe Angela Wanjiku metha-ini, we want to celebrate her as a mother. Remember, nitwiriga gukungwira muthi wa Mother's Day, and January May we call it the Mother's Month. Ona thini wa kanitha witu gatoreki ni mweri wa Maito Maria. So it's a month we honor our mothers. Na niki kiratuma tukungwire Angela. Ndirenda gugucokeria njeo na gukuria kiuria. Ukorwo wandikite wo wīra, a very high flying job, wina mbeca njega urarihwo mwisho wa mweri, and you're the sole breadwinner, you're a single mom, but you wake up one day and realize ndukoragwo na ihinda na ciana ciaku, and then you sit down wiyurie niki ngute niki ngutiga. Angela chose gutiga wīra wake akorwo close to her children. Ru ni ruo rugano ruria turamukungwira naruo muthenya wa umuthi. Of course ina mawega decision ina mawega mayo na ina challenges ciayo. If you were to make such a decision today, what should you expect in the days and months and years to come? So nigwenda uthikiririe rugano ruru keenly, especially if you're a working mom kana ona ungikorwo you are a stay at home mom, ni gukorwo agituthereria mbica iyo njega muno. Na metha itu tumiarite thini wa mukawa wa Highlands View Resort ni guku mwena wa Nyeri. Ni ngwiraga kaingi na kaingi, if you want to come here, you just need to look for 3 landmarks: Mathari Mission Hospital, Nyeri High School kana Kamwenja Teachers College. Icio landmark nicio cirigiceirie mukawa uyu. Wekira Google Highlands View Resort in Nyeri ni gukurehe nginyagia haria turi. Thank you so much niwe ukite guku, na nima ukona uria tukuonagia video-ini niguo kuhana. The gardens are very beautiful. Togora ciona video-ini ni kundu ungikira uhiki, ni kundu ungikira engagement party, graduation, event area yothe ungikorwo ri nayo irabatara garden. They have very beautiful and big gardens. Ni kundu kwina room cia gukoma very executive, ni kundu kwina kundu kwega muno gwa kurira gwa kuhurukira. Tariu haria turi za balcony ni urona uria ri thaka, the flower vase no uria ihana kindu githaka. Tuti turia tuikarire ni tuti tuthaka biu. It's generally a very beautiful place. The best thing about this place na nigwiraga kaingi, you get in touch with nature. Kwina miti mingi, kwina uhoreru, tunyoni no tu turaina, nyeki, then wikarite guku ni urona Karima Hills, Nyeri Hill, of course the Grand Mount Kenya. The scenes are so beautiful. Urafatara guka guku wionere, na nikio ngwandikire namba ya Highlands View Resort haha screen-ini, umahurire thimu and you do your booking. Of course tuthiete na mbere na kunyitwo ugeni kana kunyitwo guoko ni Promito Limited. Ndiwe kana wende nyumba teno ndirakuonia haha. Mwirereri tukoretwo tugikuonia project after project iria ciakitwo ni Promito. Ni ukuririkana nyumba eno turakuonirie kuria mwena wa Kahawa Sukari. What about this one? Twakuonirie kuria mwena wa Thika. And what about this bungalow? Twakuonirie kuria mwena wa Kikuyu. Now, ngoretwo tugikuonia finished products kana nyumba cirekereire. Ni wiyuragia nyumba icio cikoretwo kana cikoragwo ciumete ha. Now, umuthi ndakurehe kundu gwitagwo Juja. Project itaga Juja Prime. Na nyumba eno ni guthie na mbere irathie na mbere na gwakwo. It is under construction. Is work in progress. It's a flat roof mansion na ni nyumba ya bedroom 4. bedroom imwe ĩthĩ na bedroom icio ingĩ ithatũ ciĩ igũrũ, na all bedrooms are en suite. Kĩea gĩkĩ nĩ kĩea gĩa 50 by 100. One good thing I have loved about it ni haria maplacete kana ni haria Promito placete nyumba. Warora mwena uyu, there's enough space ĩngĩigwo tent, na tent iyo ĩiganirie comfortably andũ igana rĩmwe. Wathiĩ na thutha, there's enough space for your hanging area haria ũngĩanĩka nguo ciaku, ũngĩruga na njiko, ũngĩka maũndũ macio mothe. Ona andũ arĩa maigaga ngũkũ ndawa thutha ni hakuiganite. Wathi haha mbere, still you can see haria entrance porch-inĩ, space ĩrĩa ũtigĩirwo haha mbere is enough space nginyagia ũngĩrehe ngari nginyagia haha ũguo na ũingĩrie indo ciaku nyũmba, ũcoke reverse ukio park gari yaku haha thutha. Then on the other end there's still more space, yani kĩea gĩkĩ kĩbangĩtwo excellent. I can't wait to see nyũmba ĩno yarĩkĩrĩra ĩgakorwo ĩhana atĩa. So nĩguo construction site ĩkoragwo ĩhana. So rĩrĩa ũkuona those beautiful finished products from Promito cikoragwo ciumĩte wĩra-inĩ ũhana ta ũũ. Now nĩ ũkoretwo ũkĩnjũria atĩrĩrĩ, ndakũrehera nyũmba tofauti, Monica nyũmba ĩyo nĩ mbeca cigana? Haha nĩ ngwenda gũgũthereria. Tũtingĩhota gũkwandĩkĩra tũkwĩre nyũmba fulani nĩ mbeca cigana, nyũmba fulani nĩ mbeca cigana, tondũ mbeca kana BQ ya nyũmba yaku ĩringanaga na several factors. Number one, kĩea gĩaku kĩha, gĩikarĩte atĩa, gĩkwenjwo nginyagia ha, kĩna maram kana kĩna cotton kana kĩna kĩhana atĩa, gĩkwenjwo nginya ha, availability ya building materials ciĩ nginya ha. All those factors considered nĩcio cikũrehagĩra BQ. Ũrenda nyũmba ĩhana atĩa, ya rumu cigana, ĩna size ĩigana atĩa, bedroom ciaku kwenda cikorwo ciĩ nene hadi kiasi gani. So all those factors nĩcio cirutaga, ciarehwo hamwe ciothe ũrĩa ũrenda rĩ, ũkarutĩrwo BQ ya nyũmba yaku. Na tũkwĩraga nĩgetha gũtuĩka customer wa Promito na wakĩrwo nyũmba ta ĩno tũraka haha ũguo, it's very easy. Ũrabatara gũkorwo na kĩea gĩaku kana mũgũnda, na mũgũnda ũcio ũkorwo na title. Then Promito nĩ megũka thĩinĩ wa mũgũnda ũcio waku. They will do all that evaluation that I am talking about, na plus maikare thĩ mathikĩrĩrie meciria maku, ũrenda nyũmba ĩhana atĩa, client preference. Then maikare thĩ, they come up with a BQ, makwĩre nyũmba ta ĩno for example ũgũbatara gwakĩrwo na 10 million for example, okay? Then ukerwo you're going to raise 30% of the 10 million, then Promito will finance you 70%. Matikuheaga mbeca farifari, no. They come, they build the house, and once it's done, they hand it over to you wambĩrĩrie gũikara, and then the 70% wa finance nacio nĩ mũkũiguithanĩria ũkũrĩha o mweri mbeca cigana, and up to what period. Na nĩ ngwĩraga we have up to 7 years repayment period. Ũmũthĩ ndĩrehoka nĩ ndagũtarĩria na language ĩrĩa simplest few na wanyita the basic concept ya Promito nĩgetha wĩgwatĩre nyũmba ta ĩno. Tũrauga atĩrĩrĩ, ondokea rent. Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere mwĩroreri, ngakũririkania about our Canton Fair in October in China. Nĩ ũmbũkĩte kũingĩra thĩinĩ wa thabarĩ ĩyo na Bountiful Safaris. Imagine all this time tũkũhete. From now up to October, you have enough time kũrĩha nginyagia pole pole, ũtegũteng'era mũno. We go to China, tũrauga it's a guided trip, it's a tour with a purpose, tondũ tũrathiĩ gũthoma maũndũ ma biacara. Yani ũngĩkorwo nĩ wendaga kũrutaga indo China goka kwendia bũrũri-inĩ ũyũ witũ kana kũrĩa ũrĩ, you will have a guided tour, kũndũ ũngĩmenya ũgũcemania na suppliers, manufacturers, of course arĩa macipaga indo, ũgĩe na all that knowledge ya kũmenya ndagũra kĩndũ fulani na ndĩrarehe Kenya rĩ, ngagũra ha na gĩkanginyĩra atĩa. That is the purpose of this trip, and it is guided, tondũ nĩ ũrabatara kuonererio nĩ haha, nĩ haha, nĩ haha, nĩ haha na nĩ haha. So ĩgakorwo thĩinĩ wa mweri wa October. I'm sure you've heard about Canton Fair. Nakorwo ndũmĩiguĩte, please Google. Nĩ kĩgomano kĩa ahũri biacara, gĩkoragwo gĩ kĩnene mũno thĩinĩ wa China. You meet so many people and you have so much knowledge about business. I really want you to come. I really want you to join us. Na tũgatwarwo nĩ Bountiful Safaris. Namba yao ĩ haha screen-inĩ. for more information and for bookings. Na wina mweke wa kulipa pole pole. Now, jitikiria nyite ogeni, our guest etagwo Angela Wanjiku. Karibu sana Angela.
Asante sana.
Na thengio muno ni guka metha-ini.
Nashukuru.
Angela umete Nyeri?
Nyumite Nyeri. Kiumo gitu ni Nyeri. Born and bred and living and working in Nyeri.
Nginya guthomera no Nyeri?
Guthomera no Nyeri. Odo itakuhiriria Nyeri ni ndathite Rift Valley. Ndathomire Egerton.
University. But primary na secondary ni goko?
Primary, secondary, Nyeri. Na ngicoka ngiuka kuruta wira Nyeri eventually from Nairobi. So my life spans around Nyeri.
Around Nyeri. Yes. Wenye na watu anatuigana?
Ndina twana twere. Wana Mwangi na Wanjiru na acio no aciari akwa.
One nyina wa Mwangi?
Yes.
Ndauga gwetano na njitagwo nyina wa Mwangi.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So ndacemania na another nyina wa Mwangi. And I'm so grateful. Twana tutu ni kuhika uhikite nigetha utugite thiini wa marriage setup kana utugite thiini wa kwiyendera kwigira twana utari na muthuri kana utari thiini wa marriage ya setup?
Kiugo ngiuga ni aciari akwa ni kumanisha ndihikite. Kaingi twi Gikuyu twitaga ciana mwena witu ambere itu ndukihikite ikorwo wi muhiku. Of course kuringana na the naming system ya Gikuyu, we start with from the father's side. And of course in this life we are social beings. Na uti mundu wenda wikarare wika, uti mundu wenda wika maisha ma edo ina support system. Kindu gitagwo loneliness kindu kiega atole. So ndigiwa ni kwiyendera no mwana okari tugaga Ngai ni ahenaga thani ya o mwana. So my babies came, I decided to keep and raise them. It hasn't been an easy journey. No, I am proud. I thank God for it. And I even thank God that He chose me to be a mother. Yes.
Ni ndugu wagite kana kau ni karugano ka for another day?
Well, of course, ni ndugu, but what happened? Ifati ukodi na ciana ithatu hari na kabere ndagite, but now at 9 months I got pregnant. Either githii Ruraya na so basically I was alone. For lack of a better word, ari absent.
No ni amenya ni wohada?
Ni amenya ni wohada. Na gikinye mweri wa kenda ri, unfortunately daitari akijira thita with the gynecological visits kijada igwa heartbeat.
Mwana na mieri kenda, almost 9.
Yes, I'm just about to deliver actually.
Wathi kwi ndagitari?
Kijada daigwa heartbeat. I couldn't believe it. So we went for another career consultation. It was the same case. So nagikirwo niguo kuri, and as soon as possible mwana no nginya arutwo, otherwise it will be detrimental for you and your body. Eto ndo ifati uko na kiria na kidu uta living within your body.
Na we ndwaiguite any signs or
kuri kidu terminologies, kuri kidu gitagwo buoyancy kidu takiu. So being a first time mother or a first time pregnant woman, you're supposed to be very keen on the baby movements. So for me, of course, I used to feel the movements a bit faint, but era gwakinyira ati mwana uyu ndari hori ni ndaigwa tari o so no igwa iwe na kindu like tuga ni ignorance ka utuika naive. So riu ria confirm the vitari ngiro thiku ithatu tifati kwetukwa
mwana uyu atarutitwo.
So now gigithie Kenyatta private wing. Sorry to say, twiganio na atumia angi, they are just about to deliver. So I remember, I will never forget, it was a very trying time for me. So everybody, visitors are coming saying, congratulations, you're about to get a baby, congratulations. Akinya gita ndage yako, pole. So during labor time, so Kenyatta ti adwasi yes muno. The screaming women ni ndathi yako makusugwa mugongo. Tuno igwe waririre arira. You know you're being managed ona ndirahe medication so do mwana ndakiriho so we ni ora masugua
hedio we ni urutetwo mwana
asa
ari o mwiri
njetereire it was like just a few say like 6 hours ndio mutira akoma ni uri andu aya maskini
maugire
we ni ora masugua don't for me they decided to I deliver in the morning. You know, of course, it's induced. Yeah, nile kare kaire tu. Dag. It's something you will never forget, but it was a trying moment for me. And sorry to say, adorema diagram miscarriages. People kind of take it lightly, but it's a very, very painful time for a mother, and especially uri wika. Nekidu. Ado mafati kurora na tukicelebrate Mother's Day aria mathirire through that process it's good friends neighbors I'm just telling people I'm speaking for women who have gone through that makomagiririo great time go see her ask find out how she is
how they are doing
don't just assume then I remember dafati ushoka wīra immediately no gikihoya okay maybe like 1 week but I realized I'm sitting at home more alone let me just go back to the customers and get busy maybe it will help me nekutoma diganiro again unfortunately customer ni amenyete ukuona wimuri
wenada
congratulations ulipata mtoto congratulations until the word went round and they got used Ndatìgire mwana it is a very trying time. So I would wish people would take up that issue positively. Well, I mean, in terms of getting to sympathize, go see the mother.
Warutaga wīra uriko?
Darina KCB, very good employer by the way. By then we were in sales. Yeah, and I'm glad I went back, and they understood. But I had to go back. They understood. Yeah. Nawega, they even support you kuona psychiatrist with the bank card na accumulated you go see you are advised on how to go past that
ni kuheo support hiyo that emotional support
yes. But not everybody will understand
of course.
People
na riu riria woka wero congratulations you got a baby na we you know bengi to we you are serious you're in a suit
and you're busy
haria na ithabu ni mbeca cia kuorane and then
luckily for banking you're too busy to unarutinda mundu roka ukugeithia because you're too busy you have to meet the bank targets you have to be on time you have to be very fast and efficient so somehow the customers are more close you kumera what happened but in a very fast career others you just ignore you even nod
tondũ nĩ ũndũ wa kũmwĩra
yes you nod and you're hoping no mũrĩkangĩrie athi
ndagakũria kĩũria kĩngĩ
yes
rĩngĩ akũrio nĩ kahĩĩ kana nĩ kairĩtu
those questions are, we are saying proudly it was a girl see it was a girl and then maybe you just choose not to give more information but what we'll get like now in a small town but back then I was in Kiambu it's a small town area you know what happens in small towns everybody is known like that or just near here so I think word got round and no of course not all customers but
at least
so it was not an easy time so you need that close buddy and people who will come checking on you and most people because they don't understand and they have not gone through that utikona sympathy nene titakana kunu niga kuwa nigathiku and again it is more I agree it is more painful mwana orerete wathikana gutifati guthi at all for anyone timusheri fati guthika mwana wake but even miscarriages especially for first time in fact you even get afraid ugetigira akadigikenda gukagia mwana to I don't know what will happen along the way so I was very nervous ndiendaga of course the father ukauka one or 2 years later imenya this story niko peke yangu now kuhe words of comfort but you see the physical presence was not there. And I don't blame you mudathite gucaria mawega na kuhanga
so washoka kugia twana tungi of
course ashoka what happened na njumiririe atumia manathira maundu macio what happened 6 months down the line auguturuga ndu kuiguira tha a colleague comes kujira pole. Na kitu ngiona ali concerned. Akija by the anji sijai kuja kukuona since whatever happened. I'll come see you. Na kikiwa here, okay. That's nice. So now that's like 6 months down the line. So agigioka tukiaragia, ngiona ni arenda kumenya details oguo. But one thing led to another. Eventually, Mwangi comes along. I remember I was not ready for this because I had not anticipated. Me, I'll be very honest. We actually agreed this did not happen. It was not supposed to happen. It did not happen. I was living alone. So it was not supposed to happen as we were just good friends and colleagues. So I remember that morning, I decided to take care, to take precautions. We are not in a relationship. And then I'm also afraid it may happen again. So I decided to take medication. Then, unfortunately, fortunately, let me say the word is fortunate. Dikio ka mudu athi through ovulation. Nyamu shiri kuruga shiruga kanefe kidede hivi. Yoshi mwagiwe hada.
Mwagine hada. Naugane nide goko.
Nide goko. Na ndarīhagwo mamdi ha.
I'm here.
So at the time tutiari clear, we were not permanent employees.
Yeah.
So we are still on contracts. So guys, you do dinner stress. I was not exactly in a relationship. What will happen? What do I do? Do I raise this? Do I keep this child? Then I'm like, I do the wīra in it. Then I'm like, I don't know how to confirm. We had just done an interview, by the way. Luckily, confirmation. Then HR took time to a response. To get a guy. Go hot and but the commissions were very good. In fact, we also get very good commissions.
The commissions
in sales. So long as we had the amaroni accounts. Okay, the word was hooking. We don't like using the word hooking, but I remember very well. Very bad name for Runda. Arunda, I nested next to Runda. Where the workers are Runda niko maikaraga. So we really used to sell, and the commissions were good. And I'm like, why don't I keep? But then you're not sure to do the contract permanent and pensionable.
Yeah.
You may want to take a loan. That time you're not privy to that. So we kaikarare giragai. God just give me a sign. Jige mwanoyu kanajikiate. What is the way forward? That's when, before long, I think the following day, HR ni ahura thimu.
Ni mwa confirm.
Ni mara confirm. Uguthi Karatina kana uguthi Meru.
Ala.
I called my mother. I'm telling her, haiya ni maetekeria to confirm, ma'am. That is very good news. Ugikimuriri uri ni Meru kana Karatina. Kiga of course Karatina. Yuko hakuwe nani. Akiuga, why not? After all, mom lives alone. Na nigire nyika, why not? Now that is how I transited back to Nyeri again. So I worked a bit in Karatina, then transited to Nyeri. Yes.
Riu tondu ni mwekora mwena mwana ri ni mukugia relationship riu.
Hanini, but on and off, because we are not ready for this one. We are not even agreed. What I realized with men, you have to sit down and actually agree. You know, women actually, to me, but in this case, we need to talk, discuss, agree. So Shiro comes along, but long story short, we didn't get along. Actually, I even with the children, by the way, briefly, because I'm like, you're earning, I am earning. Why should I take the full responsibility alone? So that the children, they came through a bit. They were able to commit him a bit. I had some stipend. Beshanini, share it to the monarchy of Muninda, and I'm at the time. But it worked for 1-2 months. Then Giona anaanza kulegea, I have to keep doing reminders. Then I asked myself, what is this? Don't I have enough money? Ono giko ne ciringi 2 ciana ici nĩ ikurerwo na nĩ igutherema na nĩ iguthoma na nĩ irikie. So I cut off. I decided I can do this on my own. So you don't have to be told to be responsible for your own children.
Exactly.
It comes from within. So nagikiuga atĩ nĩ kĩrathimo kĩnene Ngai ahete. Na Ngai tu nĩ kĩrĩa nĩ ngũhota na ciana rĩ responsibility ĩno rĩ, let me take it up full swing.
True. Tareke ngũrie kĩũria rĩmwe nyonaga mutumia ugite na miscarriage kana stillbirth rĩngĩ tũkĩ misunderstand. Wagĩa Mwangi Mwangi nĩ replaceaga kairĩtu karĩa gathire.
Now, and I thank God for that. When Mwangi came, of course, I was afraid. I was very keen on the movements. Now I learned my lesson. The previous baby died only placenta. The placenta had 8. Placenta ni kidu ya fatamuno, by the way. Katumia matamenyaga. Yone ukonektaga na mwana. Na ni kihumo yaku na mwana. So mwana uyu riria akinyire guka. Ndaiguire ndakena nita wasokio back to life. The depression ndakoragwo nayo ikuigua thĩ nĩ ũndũ wa kana gakagi na ũtũradirikanaga it faded. Of course you'll never forget, you can never forget, but mwana ũyũ akũrehe a sense of joy. Okay, you've been given a second chance, guys. God still believes you can be able to handle na nikio waheo this second chance. So Mwangi for me was such a major relief, a major relief. Na nijokagire Ngai ngatho ni ũndũ wake. Yes.
Okay, twana tũtũ challenges cia gũturera rĩ ciahanaga atĩa being a single mom na ũraruta wĩra bengi. Na ũrĩa tũĩ bengi rĩ hai ni nyonaga ta mũingagĩra thaa ĩmwe
Mukauma
o thaa 3 cia ũtukũ.
You know, bengi nĩ kona culture njega. I think there are the few remaining institutions that have, for lack of a better word, are responsible in keeping their word. Yes, they make money of you, but they keep their word. They are responsible and they ensure the customer is satisfied to the end. And they come very private. So, Fegi wīra witu are very demanding. Now that you are confirmed, it's an 8 to 5. But now customers assume because tumefunga saa 10,
tunatoka saa
10. Hĩndĩ matiramenya nĩrĩo muoyaga kwĩrĩ ci ciothe maũndũ manyu mothe. The real work begins
from 4. The real work.
Yes. Now you urabatara gukorwo wi muciĩ. And there are deliverables. You have targets. You have balance scorecards to fill. You are answerable, which is good. It keeps you on your toes. In fact, the banking system has really helped me kwirora, analyze personally. We have my own targets and we have my own analysis. Have you been meeting your targets? Have you not met? What are the challenges? So the real work begins at 4. Now between 4 to 6, you're supposed to have completed maira maremo the winamo. Na fegi tiate because you're in customer service, okuruta wira wa customer service. Or you call customer service na microbank dauma kuo. You're supposed to be knowledgeable about the banking products with a customer.
With a customer.
Okay, call microbank dauma kuo. You might even be forced. Okay, not forced, but you are called upon to customer ni wa kolire fulfill kiria yothe akwendaga. Okay, it's going away and kiria go beyond your calling, but or your responsibilities for the sake of the customer. To customer nake ndaenda kumenya. Na wina timelines, very short timelines. So ni wekinya kuma 6, 6:30, even 7. No ni insistaga tukiume tene ni undu wa kiria insurance regulations muko muhingite tene ni undu wa kiria security ya mbeca. So 6:30 nĩrĩo mũrauma most of the times mũrĩkĩtie wĩra wa mũthenya ũcio. So again ndũngĩmotarekirie customers ama the day's work tũgamba COB. So mathaa macio rĩ, you're very tired and exhausted at night. Thoko gũthiaga nĩ kũgũra indo na ihenya o ũrĩa ũkenderio. Ndukona mathaa maku ma kwĩgũrĩra indo. It's crazy. Saturday you're still expected to be there. Ũkinya kuma saa 8 ni ũratengerania na thoko. Mwana ũrabatara gũthondekerwo nguo kana maũndũ ta macio. Sometimes nginya no suppress okonye da guthii thibitari ni go suppress
guthii thibitari
ni getha kiria to do you have targets to meet they have paid for you wako sawa but you are you doing your part so ukona wikinya mucie ri rege okay uko utiko na jam no kwina to delays to agari kindu takiu so ni wakinya mucie 8 tired and very exhausted mwana ni agiukire ni uma cukuru ni wani akomire ukorire akomire for me I was lucky because mom was there na she used to take that mantle very well in fact I was not worried ni wera wakwa ndikairetu and I was like I remember my mom telling me na jikuto kona mathana ciana ici ciaku I'm like but mom you're there you even doing a better job you have the experience you even doing a better job than me shock on me so yeah so dokinya kumenya mwana wakwa atinito nigira na iritu wīra utiga form ya kire that irathimo cia mamiri gukorwa ari hori how ni ho ndaugaga dai na advantage so you miss out on the baby steps yeah you miss out on a lot so wani kwirorero ni anjire guthii anjia kuria wega you know
uguo kwi muthenya ukuinuka hwaini wakora ari toro ndunamuona na rucio kiroko ume ae toro ndunamuona
yes then at the time I remember to I maternity leave ya 3 months to combine mathaa maitu ma wīra I mean our leave days wogere at least 4 months but there was a review and I really applaud and appreciate the late Bob Colimo there were buddies with by then our CEO was Oigara so Bob had introduced this thing in Safaricom uhoro wa kiria breastfeeding mothers in kiria at work they were allowed to go with their babies ama mwana ukarero wira-ini akonga to the essentially kiria the minimum requirement mwana fati kuga at least 6 months yes ndio alikuwa nakatiwa to express akairia kona ginya mwito aikwira iria ni kanywa dina utakumwa you know utukania na nani prefer the natural milk so they were right way to go ni mwana akioge for the 6 months and I believe ginya ni mongerire a few more months for kiria mutumia urauma kuma maternity so I really appreciate that but you know the life work balance for a mother is very very tricky it's not a joke especially when the babies are young but still even then ciana ifataraga kiria attention na support ya musiari asiari eri preferably
sure
ni mafataraga presence ya musiari
so when wakinya hado ni wona ona mamu wanyu ni akwira do spendaga time na ciana ici
yes
at what point did you decide na ni kweli
well for me my case a bit different this not started coming it came earlier like say a year before gaje kuga and you know by the way kwirutira wīra ri it's not so bad see I've had experience with the bank I mean it's not so bad tena mom is complaining dina mathana ciana na diona tagugia time na ciana ici to do I'm very very busy at the same time me ni daddy side hustle ciakwa it's not a lie I used to interact with business customers being a credit officer ni moka mara kuiturura what I do so that you're able to process their loan and your loan can be approved or declined to correct according to our kirathi so most of the time it was a decline to fegi na ina interest ya protect business yayo with the right person mundu credible because into our character traits ya customer so before they agree you can go through a few declines before you get an approval so customer kuiturura ri you actually try understand the business itself kamenya ginyendo umasaply indo tayo ndamenyira tumia thoko ni marehagirwo indo ni attract from na uko Bungoma you have to get those details and write them you're doing it for several customers in a week so ni ndathire ngimenyaga uria biashara cikagwo na ginya tari uhoro wa company registration by the time a company is opening an account with the bank there are these necessary requirements so fegini yathomithire maundu maingi na ki networks jaga muno I'm still grateful to date by the way so that's how I decided here I can do this I mean mama mboga anafanya biashara kubwa hivi mimi nimesoma mbona nisifanye so that's how I started
your side hustles
my side hustles and they were doing very well Then mine was just a call away. I just call, my deliveries are done. Yeah, and my check is taken.
Ukariho.
And I've still made my money. And of course, wīra wa bengi na wake
na
do a credit. In case it's a big order, credit is haraka. The loan repayments are very cheap because of the interest rate for staff. Yeah. So it was workable. It was good. So I started saying then, ni try encourage women on bengi horo wa guthoma. They really encouraged us. We'll go beyond the degree. And we have done agriculture. Don't ask how agriculture ended up in banking. But so long as you're a degree, so long as you're trainable, they will pick you. So I decided to do a master's in climate change adaptation at Nairobi University. I'd always looked for a career, a scholarship, but it didn't work. So I got to Nairobi University and I'm like, this is doable. Why not? So, and beve deka uwo kihorera. Hindi wani mako ujoya. And then gayuria, is it related to the bank? Tudu fegi na weda wike kidu. Is it like a financial course? You know, kidu takeu. But now I know they have their environmental wing. Because ni mako moditaga maudu maige positive. So, all of a sudden, ihidari ure gikoro dero atiwe nitwako he transfer shokoria. Yuga chogoria ni ukunene na kuri uko ni wapi sasa? Chogoria. Chogoria. Unadia uta chogoria. Mona wega mama dware chogoria. But now you under terms and conditions. They can take you anywhere. Any. Wani mako ya disturbance. Very good money, by the way. But now, unfortunately, oidari udahe omarua masio. Yushimami warwara.
Ni arwara. Uri wikaragira na twana.
Uri wikara nao. Na ciana na muiritu wakwa wa wīra. At the same time, Nairobi University, we have approved. You can start in September.
Kothi yaku ya masters.
All of a sudden, ndarisibwa sakikega. Ya payment ya biashara ciakwa. Kiuga, no hajiko gwika maundu maya mothe. Na methi cogoria. Na ndirathama nyina my mom twamutaga nyina ngaru. Nyina ngaru ariku. Murwaru ndathi ku. Thank you riatiriri. Na Nairobi University no majetereire.
Uthio
na biashara no direct orders na no iraciara. Ai, na KCB no efataire.
Mundu mwe.
Ciana ciakwa riu mami ni arafatara more than ever before. Na ndangikihota kuhe ciana attention. Mundu uyu mweri ngwiga ni maita matano ngai watha. Something has to go. Something has to go. By then I'd worked for, I think, over 8 years. Wamachitaraga hindi ya sales. So like I told you, 5 years. So over 5 years, nedutite wīra na bengi and ciana ici nishirajeterera ndina maundu maingi ndingiota kwigania no ngurukire. So where I spend the time the most haniho gurekereria. So I went to mundu twatha mwana ake njoro atukite a full-fledged accountant na ki advice kurigana na mathafu maku na what you have to wika mathafu. You can sustain yourself even without the business for the next 6 months. Utafatara mushara wa mundu. And knowing you and business, of course you'll have more time for the business now. Nyuko utakorera ciana. How gukena tudu una mami nake negumwe full attention. Especially for this particular time that she's not feeling well. So I wrote my resignation. I remember that I have a balance scorecard. Balance scorecard there you go resignation letter yari hauzi. I had a matter of my transfer. You was okay na resignation letter. Oh Angela, what is this? You go, yes, it is what it is. Are you sure? You go, well, me have made up my mind. And I've also written an email, a similar email to HR through the branch manager. You know, I didn't email copy yakwa. Hedeo ni mami ya okay here of you. So you have to give that 1 month's notice. So gekiuga geje focus na mami dafo siro ko hoya rutha. Ngo yanita 1 month's notice. Getha hote ko hema the attention.
Ni hero of you.
So riu kiria resignation letter already how. Unfortunately, Mom was not able to make it. And yeah, she will pass 2 weeks later. And I remember it was very painful for me. That particular morning, with a pass, kaitu kako nikarire muno karia gatwitoshe ni wajiru nikarire muno mama usiende job. I'm like mbona nisiende job shiro, I have to go, mtakula nini? Hidio mami ari thibitari ngihurira mami ngimuyati ikiruda kiria ire thina mami ndenda thie wira. You know what she told me? Nona kanona kamisa ga nyina. That was the last phone call between me and my mother.
Ati?
Yes. Those were the last words. So later that day at 5 p.m. ndirerere ndariho.
Ndatìgire.
Very, very painful for me. Na riu tugicakaya na niho ndakiugaga nimenya kuna ndirari wira mako ndiracokete wira. Tungiuma na mami thibitari. Tundonete a lot of time. Kiria ngimura the first week agicoka gutwarwo Nairobi ngikigwa andu kiria my siblings moyagirire nithi na mbere kiria ingitungate muci na njoke wira tigakione tari ndakiamagira ni mo day uririe. You know, how do you do my wira? I would have been with Mom for our last minute.
Yeah.
But anyway, riu agithii uguo ri twakirikia gucakaya ri gicoka wira
bado no ura serve notice.
Itoki no serve notice. Otherwise kuringana na contract kana ke wira mawatho ugicokia mbeca cia mweri ucio. So yakinya the D-Day ri branch manager nionete notice yo. So na makijari after gucaka ndacoka makijira, Angela, we are going to review Chogoria, we are cancelling. Give us an extra 6 months. We don't understand where you're going. We have gone through a hard time. Why don't you see a psychiatrist? So we'll give you a day. Just go to see a psychiatrist. Na give you Nairobi. I remember she was a Muslim, a doctor. Na kijira, girl, you're too young. This is not the time. Your kids need you. You need to raise the kids. Na giri kana na mami ungaga. Wow, mawira tundamwirite way before.
No amwirite
like 3 months earlier. Ndamwirite I'm considering kuma wira. Kichana cio ciana waji kucirieki. Sikuria ki, I mean ukumarira naki. I remember she asked me that. No riu ni ndiakionaga mathabu makwa ngona
maraingirana.
Ni maraingirana. So the psychiatrist akijira uguo, but kufika ukaka tu I decided let me just go on with this. I decided I'd made up my mind.
No ko resign.
Yeah, I'm leaving. So on the D-Day, branch manager, I keep remembering, he was such a nice guy. You know, tomorrow is my last day. Okay, what do you mean? Tomorrow? Do you know he are not forwarded to HR? Kimira, do amatuambe niende na email Ndao tumira maro kira email this particular date. I forwarded to them. They had to work it very fast. Yes. Matetekagia. In fact, when customers are asking, KCB umago. You are no equity umago. KCB umago. Anyway, so I left. I left the bank. And Gekiwa a fresh of breath. Well, dinner time, I'm able to think for myself. Because it was crazy. Banking is crazy. It's especially, not all, especially for Tuga Wakabis, Ariame branches. Head office a bit easier. They don't even have to go on Saturday. They can leave at 5. I'm thinking, to be fair, but
branches where away.
Kuno wira urutawo. Na ni urutawo. Na ni wira waku irutira na ngoro yaku yothe. Tondu ndurenda gutiria customer ni arakiria uhoro wa customer ushoka rushu. Competition is stiff with the other banks, of course. So you want to retain the customers, you have to deliver. The customers ni igini dwari twari gari afegi. So it was crazy. Very, very crazy. So now I have freedom. Ndainuka no ndathi na mbere na biashara ciakwa
na wina tubesha ongerea for 6 months.
Yes, and of course nitaendeleza biashara. Ciana ni try engage homework. We are talking the drama menya riu. But now I remember ihinda riu ria mami, I now come to realize muciari akwari a veil. I remember the first time don't remember me in that current state. Atariho. The first question I asked, kai mami no uri tuhoyagira. No uri tuhoyagira. And ngimenya muciari niwe uhoyagira ciana ciake na akamaragira. Uti mundu ungi ungihota. Yes, your friends will, others will, but commitment muciari niwe. Muciari ni kindu gia bata muno. Oneke tuga ni Ngai waku wa keri. So that is when that's kuona maundu, like you're facing the music now. Maundu makiajia guka
alone.
Hedari 2021 2022, welcome new regime.
Welcome.
Kuri hadu twa ina Ministry of Interior.
Wekaga haso ciakwa.
He always used to ensure we twari ho within 3 months. 3 months was bearable. Maundu make aje gucenjia ri mutiri hitwo mieri 8, mutiri hitwo mieri 6, imbeca nyingi we fegi kuri kindu woete ga top up handu
na ni uretio
majia guka ni uretio. KRA has become more stringent. Mwadirikania left, right and center. Hi maundu make aje kubanirira maingi fiu.
Tondu riu mutirarihwo on time.
Yes, so you also not able to limit your payments to the creditors. So life became very tough, by the way.
Na wina ciana.
Na nie joka into akakun maundu mari to her, I go back. I recede back. No, that's how I don't know, it's my protective mechanism. Joka gathutha. As in kuikaria. You know the time when nothing and you to kukiaria. You're supposed to be outspoken. Kona no mo giteithania. You can even have friends who will credit you. Though I preferred going through the financial institutions. So maundu makeje kurituha. Wega
pio proper.
Then muciari ni kindu kingi, their source of unity to the family. You know, naga a common objective. Mami ni wari source of unity hari ni na my siblings. So now that she was not there, muda thia na maisha make nitithanagia.
No mudu
kwagia bata, but mudu athia maisha make riu. You are alone. Kila mtu kivyake. Na kila mtu akona responsibilities zake. So we understand. Na tukaheana that space. No, the source of unity was mom. My dad never passed way back. So like 20 years before. So it was not easy. It was not easy. I went through a very rough patch. So then Ndatìgire, now that I got time, Ndatìgire gutuika kuyuria so many questions. Why is life like this? Nida processagira andu maruni, nida mahera credit. Riu twikite we niwe wina maruni matararihika. We ni uraikio reminders. We ni wari maidaga andu we ni uraikio
reminder. No mire wekirito CRB.
At the time no CRB ni ucoka yuke wega muno na yoka urahoya mbeca ku cia kuruta mawira. So riu una ni uretigira ndukaheo mawira. Already ni wati qualified andu nduri na mbeca urathi kuri
ukuhoya
na nginya uyu individually ni oumire bengi uyu uri akandiha na kio na ingimuhe. Riu tikari bwari understandaga uhoro wa procurement processes ri uhoro wa LPO, you have a genuine one, mudu ni trust. Not everyone, it's not easy, and even it's not even easy asking. But that's how I've survived with a few friends. Tugateithania twarihwo wakimacokeria kire yao. And of course no nginya kiririkane murata tondu ni akirutire. It is not easy, but because of confidentiality you'd rather do it with the financial institutions. So I went through a very hard time. Nani hiditwe ukiriria kahora. So now during that span of time utimaira maingi uraruta we mushie, you have a bit of time to yourself now. Ni horaje kurora patterns kona hai nini rikiria. I remember mom ni hautawira kundu kunene kiria ni na wira mwega kirizaini ni asoka musie
onake no gwekite
ani ucio nani
nawe wari na wira ni wari zaini
wira mwega ucio ni dari zaini onani akiuria haya maundu mecokagira. So I remember they githie shukuru they study for githio cukuru town Nyeri gige accident they study for gikige ma gikiwa accident no accident the KCB 2020 githio kuma wīra you should have accident inaumia the same place kiriwa ai okay nini jikaraga uru kaniki I remember ndwarito outspan gigwa ndagitari akiuga at the time I was in the bank when I clear cardio bengi ya health. Thank God for health, by the way. So maukurugamira riu outspan go maji atiri gigwa ndagitari when I came to after the accident in 2020 when I'm much older now, before was 10 years ndagitari uga uyo mpeleke akashonwe doc yageje daktari not an extra stitch on my face daktari not an extra stitch daktari akiuga atiriri madam tusipofanya hivyo itakaa vibaya sana it has to be stitched now the scars the earlier ones are these ones so he was the most recent one so githi gitumo but luckily because of technology it was neater unajionekana because I remember hizi za kitambo huyu Dr. Kiruhi mwenye Otspan ni wadu tatururi a very painful process. Wahonari wathi ku gai mwathani najavumilia you're a stronger na you're a stronger wait 10 years you're strong vumilia unakuruta tunya mutu an experience I don't want to remember then I don't go to sokera no luckily baudi mathi ko isi ni absorbable ni maki absorbable
so mamu anyu ni andikitwo wira kambuni njega atiga wira
yes getha Arore na akirore ciana. And by the way, we are grateful for that. There's a very big major positive thing about it. As much as it was a struggle, Mother had time for us. I remember very well to do they started one haraga. If you call it a tale, literally. Diaraga kidu. Yes, but then when I came to ija kwenda agia time ya kwaje wisikiria ku meditate. My older siblings Mary class 8 they started one. Kino kumbe mami akoncentrate na ciana isi na cietoke. Nuni mathi secondary and very good high schools, national schools. Nuni ni Ndatìgire. Mathi na my other brother urefuatite. Ni aje gutu he attention. Mami ni watu nyenyende mathafu. You are jamedete because I started picking up. Master the two. I started picking up. I was just hitting the roof. No gonani attention ya mami na a lot of patience. Yes.
Na a lot of patience.
Because she had the time.
Yeah, she had the time.
Yeah. How only did your mother phone again mathomo. And I picked from there, I just picked and picked.
Wow.
Yeah.
So onawereriwe muciiri riu ni urahe ciana ciaku attention.
The drama here attention. Well, I may not be the best mother, but I do my best. The drama here attention. Na niona tu character traits twao. Ukena mwanake aje gukuhenia ni uramenya. Uramenya no thukagirie TV no thukagirie ndo cina kuthutha. Ikumenyera. Ndio igwa ni oka ukaheo report kuri mundu rumanire. Ni ukamwarauga kuma hau. Na kumahe nginya self confidence. Mundu ahota kuyaria kuria ciuria. Yes. So now at least I have good time. I cannot say it's sufficient, but I have good time. Ya kiria ya kumanacha. Na riu ukahota kuruga tu maundu tunini. Because these small things make all the difference.
Yeah.
Then realize mami ahakishire tutiathire boarding till class kiria till form 1. Back in the day was form 1 to hit for 4. And I remember a close friend told me there are 2 cases ya adu majirire umwe atwarirwo ni nyina nekiria ari started day 3 boarding. Na akijira he opened up akijira he was being molested in school. Na dagiari athi kwira nyina ari nyina kamwe we this is a good school ogikaraku ndienda kuigwa ngani curahe we thoma ugikie
na hindio aturaga molestagwo
ati ndairaga nyina aenda gucenjio. Then a colleague of mine nake akijira mwana wake ri nyaramwe nenda gutinda gicenjio ari na very good national school nenda gutinda gicenjio amike yo ni cukuru ya gucenjio athiku I still keep my friends na KCB athiku ni kukugia ngiona kwega tiga cukuru ino niguo agucoka kuria ati ni mwana uyu ni insistire muno acenjio na performance yake ni njuru. You know the cukuru ni eka wega no riu mwana wakwa niwe bottom line yakwa reke ndi mucii nake mucenjia akimutwara to another school. The boy picked up and he did very well. When so tukimuria so what was happening niki giatuma waje uperform wega guku no ahetuka rani akiokira hande ndani kimathi niki guku kugina ni cukuru irakiri njaga biu. No mwana ke opening up that is arikia augia atiriri well unfortunately twahurite turi a group of boys twahurite kamono na riu cukuru you know schools are against monolization ni twakahurite uru na tukivictimize muno you know okay fine ndahitia but do fati what doke you know inwekire riu matida the three boys matura makivictimize cukuru makiririkanagia they are bad example why would you do this to a young man but mukihuraga well we understand cukuru ne ku discourage or commonalize but now that really affected the three boys you personally now maikire moni uthoma wega tondu every day ni uraririkania uria wekire no really at this new school the environment is new it's forgiving as una guti mundu ramenya uria gwathire so ni kuota guthoma at peace no ketuke so it's very important tuthikagirie ciana citu una tukienda mathome in the best schools today it's very very important to mathikagirie there reasons behind na riu also in high school for me I realized aria mathire boarding tene unfortunately that the we habits ici cia homosexuality ciaumire uiguaka aria maina to habits tu ni ciana ciaumite from previous boarding schools na aria especially mathite kuma riu grade 1 utiguci twajita grade 1 grade 2 grade 3
to kwi muciari ugutwara mwana boarding
well na tikwenda ni mwere ngi ni undu wa wira igi of course ni single mother ndwenda gutinda ndukiririkania ndi wi single mother tena ndo ni aikuwa wo uru but nowadays is the norm nituretikirire as much as guti mundu kenda wika ari wika so ngikiona kurigana experience iyo ri
mwana gutwara mwana
na kurigana ore turega ni aciari itu ri reke maikare mari agima ati magithie high school kana kire the senior school iko shiri
senior school
grade 7 ri grade 8 ri mwana ni ahota kuyaria ni ahota gutetera ni akurega maundu atarenda to force into things so and of course you'll get ample time with them to do marking those classes mwana officially na tukamugeni you never have that ample time with them again ulionanaga on our holidays so it's good that we take advantage of this time when they are young and you mold them to be the people that you want them to be
okay hindi no watiga wira bengire na no kwaingira a new regime beca itiroka mathire ciana ni guthoma o uria mamu wanyu akuritie watiga wira ciana ici ni guthoma
now unfortunately defegi there was that for lack of a better word status na I encourage everybody adu makwa mari all rounded wahuma wira umenye you're putting your heart down umenye it's a time to amend and adjust kwa mundu aje ohora adjusting you need to adjust wamenye nete mathuti ni ukuhasuka riu
ni ukuhasuka
ani ugubanga macungwa utware kuria uretio ni ugubanga ni guthi thoko uthogore mahembe na marigu utware to ni ugutwara ndo guthi gutwarira guthi thoko na kiria na mathuti macio maku
mari urekagira bengi
so ciana ciakwa ni ndacitwarite a high end school I mean unaciari they did very well but atwarite very good schools by the way no kona few mwana ni muciari ni we sacrifice so I'm like why not in fact I remember my brother telling me oh God dadini watutware shukuru Jehuri who are you utwara ciana ciaku in a lesser school of course the child is always supposed to be better than the parent ikiwa like maintain the previous school the kile shukuru yo no jega so waliendelea kodumwari almost 50,000 per term per one child in Nyeri wale ila ciana igiri ona realize it so I just used to accumulate madeni school fees in fact the school was very lenient with me by the way una accumulate tu madeni it had to take the intervention of my brother and my sister-in-law. I don't know how rekire agirete marua from the ministry dwarito It's not another school. Nyeri primary. Wari ciana Nyeri primary. Another beautiful school. Ini maintain it for a very long time. Na nima performaga. Una even back then not washidanaga now, but wa maintain. It's like the alliance of today. Maintain year in year out always performing. But they are very, very keen on school fees. Kai nebesha so fair. I can't even believe they have school fees. Digu ata they have school fees. It's a walk in the park compared to where we were before. So ni una dureona uri uthiite dureona to do mathire mapaidire up school fees niyo yo ndwenda kwerecia ndio ra accept ni ucenjirie I mean bushara dureshua ka ni ukurigwo so intervention ya my brother niyo yateithirie muno ciana magicenjio magithie kiria magithie to this other school now and at least now I can breathe. So it was a very, very, very difficult time for me. So nageje kuyuria maundu maingi. I remember nido kwenda kumenya kihumo giakwa nindajije kwandika family trees. Now that my parents are not there, I wanted to know that deal umite ku who was Guka's father, who was geje kwandika family trees tukenyita na ando igi geje kumenya horo amirega in GHC twa ndiko mita social studies GHC father midagio horo the 9 clans of Kikuyu. Who are these? Where did they come from? Nearly okay, am I part of the 9 clans? Kana we are aside. Kana horo clans ciathirire. Uno ogie ndajije kumenya muhiriga. Kita kumenya what about mom? Where is she from? Aumete naku atiarito ugeje kuyuria ciuria. Then when I was seeing that pattern ya mom nyauma wīra nini dauma wīra maundu maya marecokera hwai gikenda kumenya Gikuyu gitu na Kikuyu is very beautiful. In fact wadogaga ndiahota kwaria a full sentence in Kikuyu. I challenge myself nyandika gerie kwaria a full sentence. I mean Kikuyu is my first language. And I want to know what used to happen. Back in the day focus ya muciari yari wethoma. In fact in a house just
nyukwiro
ndukarite
tira wacha usinioshe vyombo
wethi wathome but uhoro wa muturire they really protected us. Maundu megie muturire ni maundu maingi ndamenya 2022 2023 maundu maingi itaramenyaga ni ndamenya riu tariu uhoro wa gucugia mwana na maruimo macio ndiui. The Kikuyu stations they did that justice. A neighbor of mine who keeps complaining na maundu una cia Gikuyu ndumenyaga we get interested, get to know. So geje kumenya Gikuyu riu unfortunately gitukana andu rigi matai nawe ndimwega no kona I didn't realize me I was always naive. I didn't know andu makona na wiru to the extent ati mundu na agikena wiri maini. You know I didn't know that. So right now my antennas are very shiguru muno. So but now at least I got some other good friends. Majirite Kikuyu is beautiful, but there's only to this limit. Ugikinya kimenye. So I had a very, very, very hard time. Kumenya spirituality yakwa. Na kumenya unaga yakwa within me. So long as I believe in myself, I can conquer anything. I can do anything. Na tegaina kwa atragire. And again, uhoro we were isolation. Niko ni budu isolated. There's somebody who was telling me to really improve. I had just lost my shushu. So when I was speaking calls, guys were like, now you've changed. Hiyo wakati shushu ni garana. Hiyo wakati wa your mom unaudua thimu ya mundu dwaragia. You just kept yourself in a cocoon. But this time at least ni uraria. You're growing up. Somebody was telling me I was growing up. So niwega kumagira andu kwaria utuka bit social. Kuri mundu ngikuguna na kaundu utakui. So niwega muno kiria ku engage na andu. So ciana ndahotie guci balance na uri gucenjia tu a lower pin kiria. Shukuru tafatara school fees nene. Yes.
Okay, mwirerere tareke twambe turugame hanini tu but tugicokereria Angela. At any one point no regretire kutiga wira waku bengi. But let's take a break ni turacoka.
Gwa Karaja MCTV na Metha ya Kagoni turakunyita ogeni thiini wa site ya Promito. Twina Monica Wangui thiini wa gikaro giki na Wangui gucia tukorwo tugitwara andu nyumba iria complete
iria cirekete but umuthi turenda kumuonia haria nyumba yumaga
ya bagia
nyumba literally yumaga tiri-ini
yumaga tiri
ari engineer witu nego no ataririe muno makiria
yes
nyumba literally yumaga tiri-ini tororora turi haha so we have Mashira, our engineer from Promito.
Yes.
Na twina Benjamin is our project manager. Turi kundu gwitagwo mugutha iroiro.
Yes.
Na turenda gukunura literally gukunura site ino.
Ni kwenja muthingi. Nigwirire ngwaci cikoragwo rungu rwa mirio. Yes. No wenjire kindu giothe kigakiumaga na thi. Kiumaga na iguru kindu kiria kirutu kiumaga na iguru no mbirira niyo yumaga na iguru ithiete na thi and there is no hope but kindu kiothe kiega gikoragwo na thi kiumaga kithiete uguo na iguru
o ni ngurigitwo renda kumanisha tondu tuwe maundu maingi we tarene wetrenda gukunura nyumba ino nigetha yume na thi egethie na iguru. So we have Benjamin na ukora to take through what we are likely to see in 6 months. Na tukariganira karaja this month alone or last month alone twakunurira nyumba cigana Mashira 7 na mweri uyu twakunura nyumba so far
na ni mweri wa gatano
tukunurite nyumba ithatha.
Yes
so we mbona unaitikia kuacha nyuma yeah so take it away Benjamin ariria nyumba ino uguo micorete na coki tiri-ini ri tatutaririe tondu riu maya ni mathabithio na ndege
okay so tutaanza na hapa the entrance hapa ndo tunaingilia kabla entrance
hapa ndio before tuthiete ri ni gakwira murori ati before nyumba yothe yambiriria bagia gucorwo uria igukomera thi riu ino ni nyumba already icoretwo twenda kuonithio riu ino ni nyumba ngima itarugamite riu twenda kuonia uria ikarite ha tuona hena kanyamu muguciti gaka ni gatui
Nika porch, entry porch. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So after entry porch, unaingia sasa kwa nyumba.
Okay.
Entrance ya.
Murango wiko riu.
We haha.
Oh. We are doing it by faith. Our imaginations. Njore no na murango wakioneka.
Murango ni guocio.
Murango haha. Then the lounge. Ino ni lounge, sitting room. Yes.
Itago lounge.
Sitting, itago lounge.
Okay.
Kwa nyumuga
sitting room.
Ni lounge.
Yes.
TV itakuwa this side.
Okay.
The TV will be this side. Na 2 windows at the side as well. And then next to it now there is the dining.
The dining, okay.
Ndīrerere nyumba ni mithemba mingi kwina mansions pitched, kwina mansions flat roof, kwina bungalows, no wakirwo even na commercial entity, to nyumba tu ya guikara, no wakirwo cottages or anything urenda gwakirwo. We are here for you to manage your project and to finance your project as Promito. Koguo kiria urabatara gwika is to start your customer journey na njira ya kuhingura construction account. Na nigetha uhingure construction account the first step ni kuhura thimu 0729 506 506 0729 506 506. We have such a big team ya guku guide through every step of the way ginyagia ugekora wi gwaku thini ukirugira
mwendwa waku
ex boyfriend
mwendwa waku tugaga mwendwa waku tondu ringi menya kwi angi makagirwo ni ma ex mao kwi angi mekagirwo ni ipango yao
tigago mwendwa 0729 506 506.
Thank you.
Mwirerere turathie na mbere na kwaraniria na Angela Wanjiko tukiaria horo wa motherhood na muno makiria in the spirit of Mother's Day tukimo celebrate na tugithie break. Angela ni ngukuritie your decision to leave the bank nigetha uthie ukakorwo na enough time for your children.
Yes.
Na of course wike haso ciaku ri atini one time riri wina mathire bengi maroni ni ikirio CRB you have these debts right, left and center. Did you ever regret kabaita ngiatigire wīra? Maybe I should have found another way to just balance this whole thing. No kabaita ngiatigire wīra.
Kurigana woni wakwa ri yes ndigukuhenia. There's a time I felt or maybe I should just have remained. Why didn't I listen to these people? In fact, my siblings wanaona majirite, unatoka kwa nini, usitoke. But I decided to go on ahead with it. Then girora maudu mathiri marĩa ndĩna mo maingĩ. I never used to live like that. Dignity yaku. You're not able to do so many things. Some basic things you take for granted. Nginya ukinya town. Yes.
Nukuremwo.
Kaũndũ itangĩecirie. Then akinya handũ there's a time ũreciria ciana cikũrĩa kĩ. Not throughout maybe, but thank God twakinya hau. But kũrĩ hĩndĩ you're getting nervous about it. Kĩndũ itangĩeciria. Yes, so ngiuga, or maybe I should just go back. But now looking going forward, ngeje kuona things are picking up. The more you stay hard, you get better and better with your craft. You even get better with opportunities where to seek. Because now I realized, instead of dealing with the government, let me go to the private sector. I'm still with the banking, but now a different bank, but construction, repairs, not an issue. With them, at least, as much as the margins are not so big, you're guaranteed of an income, as in payment, consistent payment, a timely payment, that is. So, and it's okay, you're building a name on it. So, okay, karaga hadu jarudia okay, ukirugaga maudu, nagathi ukiuhigaga. If I was to go back to the bank, there are so many things to look at. You look at cost-benefit analysis. Okay, Uria, am I ready to nini ndatidage hoya rutha? Ati ndenda guthie Mombasa no nginya hoya rutha kana njeterere muthenya ria ngathi. Do I want the time that I have? Am I willing to give it to another person? Am I willing to build on somebody else's dream and leave my dream alone? Because I also have my dreams. Will they be able to pay me the match that my dream will cost? They will not. Do I have time for my children? No. Dea kama mafumashie mwotheri. Ai, hapana. Sitaweza.
Uhustle.
Not unless now it is an institution affiliated to what is my love now. My love or
what is
now
your love right
is nature. I didn't know I had it in me. I was very surprised kuigua my late Bukani arukiria wa green belt movement. Ndajirie kwenda kiria environment muno na kuhanda miti. By the way, I do a lot of that. Even too naturally without any expectations. Na riu I joined some CBOs. I'm very active in CBOs. Cia kuhanda mirangi. There's one we call Hummingbird Environmental Hub. Na harĩ ĩtagwo Abadia Conservation. So I'm very active in these groups. Na nĩngenaga mũno nĩ kũhanda mirangi. Actually, ona ngĩtwo masters ĩyo ya Nairobi University, yarĩ ya climate change adaptation. Nĩmetikirite. So you see, I was still in alignment with that. So maybe not unless if I was to go back to the bank, not unless now I go to the environmental wing. Harĩa ngoro yakwa ĩigua ĩkĩiganĩra. Tigũthiĩ kĩrĩa in the normal banking activities. That would be my preference. So for somebody who is thinking or thinking
hena mũtumia ũkoretwo agĩtoĩ na idea ĩyo nini ngũtiga wĩra. Ici ciana njũkaga ndicionaga, umĩra kĩroko ndinaciona. I rely na report ĩrĩa ndĩraheo nĩ house help. Rĩngĩ the mother is not even there. Ũrora, it's purely the house help. Na tũrona nginyagia Sam ndirauga othe ũrĩa amwe mareka na ciana.
It's very risky.
So mutumia ũcio nĩ arauga ama ni achane tu na hii kazi kwanza nilee watoto. What would be your advice now coming from a first hand experience?
So for a mother who is who wants to live, remember your bread and butter matters where it's coming from. Na ciana ici, as much as they need you, you also have to provide, especially if you're a single mother. Na not just single, kuria ndojira wo thikũ ici makao marĩ single married. Na kĩhiko na bado.
No, we see.
Wewe ndio kila kitu. So you have to do, okay, don't jump at it, of course. Take your time. Eka mathabu maku. Give yourself maybe an extra 1 year, 2 years. Of course, when the decision solely lies on you. but give yourself time before you actually take the leap. And if you're taking this leap, where are you going?
Where are you going?
You need to have had a business that is already working.
Tarudu.
Or a source of income that is already there.
Yeah.
Maybe you write your books, you whether online. That's okay. And you know you're still building on it. But duka unugo.
Pa. Utari kudurathi nduriki. Tari wedirona urio fegi wari na hustles ciaku. Na nicio urarora ukauga see, I'll just continue with this.
Nisho hustles nicio ciatomadika ararire.
Yeah.
As much as I've gone through a very trying period, nicio ciatomadika ararire. Na gwika tu maundu tungi twa andu menda guthondekerwo kana ugi waku kuri uria Ngai akuhete ugi waku uguthire ugi ucio waku, but start now. If you're planning to leave, give yourself that 1 year or 2 years.
Ukoro wambiririe
kaundu karia ureka. And of course, they are in conflict with your
what
employer.
You're doing. Yeah.
So tugaga dofikiria make sure you maintain your relationships to do ku wathire. Ku wehereire no ga rigi no gacoka. Yes. So do not burn your bridges. But ni wega uko we very strategic about it. Wekinya kuma. But by and by, the first priority for everybody, of course, is family. Family first. Unatumia ni matika wīra, just like mom, matika wīra. For the sake of the family, so ni mundu ni fata wika that cost benefit analysis. Wako wifagite mbere. Na wikite mathabu maku.
Na wikite mathabu maku. Wow, that is the ultimate sacrifice to me. Ati ni like what your mom did. Nuko jirite athomagira Alliance.
Oh yes. She proudly. Dikwa ko mention you. Na nikyo deigwa geturwo muno. Dikwa ko mention one of her very close buddies ended up being a minister in the country. Kadikagwete maritwa. Na ajiraga she used to love going to Acrosians. Acrosians ni Alliance boys. Nigo meitaga. So now mother ni wamuonagia mathabu. So now ajiraga she kept repeating that. Na githuku kia mam kiari on point. Kiari in fact much better than mine.
Kia Alliance.
Andu majuragia kure ndathomagira ke utari waku aragia gikuyu nyendete ni. So anyway, daddy kana half friend or her desk mate ni wamuonagia mathabu, mami ni wamuonagia mathabu. Then I'm looking at mom's life. I'm looking at her the way her former classmate is doing so well in life. Kawa guy, where did we go wrong? Kwani what happened? Then Ushio, here is me now. I know that is aini. Apata nikajia wishokera. But then again, I am so grateful for that sacrifice mom made. Because when you want to meet, wote kwenda mathomo. Na hote guthoma na ukinya aria nginyite thaisi. Because of the time she took with us.
The time she took. Neogugaga, I think that is the ultimate sacrifice. Wa sacrifice dreams ciaku. Wa sacrifice career yaku. Your hobbies. Your everything. Wa shoka mucie kurera twana tutu uhetwo. I can only equate it with all due respect. No ria Kristo died for us. It's literally dying for the sake of your children.
Very true.
But oguo wauga mundu ni agugibatara gukorwo ekite mathabu.
And of course tutira andu makuti mawira. Wira ni mwega muno. Una experience ya wira ni mwega muno. We are just telling them it's good to find a balance. Not burn your bridges, but find a balance. And of course family comes first. Family comes first. Tushana ishiri ni wenda shigimare, chote kwirugamia. As in they're independent, even if there's nothing you're expecting from them, they're independent and they can stand on their own.
Very true. All right.
Yes.
Wow. Angela, moving forward, where you focused on your hustles, no going back into formal employment.
Yes. So now, by the time I was leaving the bank, ndakwira ni diakite uria Nairobi University ni majitite. They had approved JK Masters in Climate Change Adaptation. Because of this problem at 2022, you know they reviewed school fees for schools. So school fees took care about you, your masters. Here's Wanjiko Dina Besha, una focus ya kwani una ciana nichikiria. Isho she priority. In fact, I encourage most people, you can rather mutathoma mbere ugitekiria family to do Ona family igira they come ona moka mbere yaku
Nio meguka mbere.
So my master stopped ndarugamirie I did year 1 nikasimamisha school fees makiongerera na yuma hana tandwa akiria andwa private parallel the word is parallel tene twari na job twi undergraduate ino ni ta parallel well ni twari ha mbeca nyingi na riu thirikari ni ya review school fees again
yathie iguru pio.
So I say wacha isimame kwanza. So I stopped after 1 year niamwe kama methodologies manyu ni warugama. So ikiwa nirekethie na mbere physically na maundu makwa make ma miti. So and I got involved with ule gwiri ohoro ha minbad na kiria CBOs, environmental CBOs na abadia conservation action group. So what we focus on ni kuhanda mirangi. To do miragi wega yori. Miragi is bamboo for those who don't understand. It's a type of a grass. In 5 years you have a full grown mature tree. Once you cut one shoot, it replaces with like another 12 shoots in a very short time. So oikonada weka conservation, massive conservation. The tree to uptake is the muragi. To do ni conserve from soil erosion. It has very beautiful aesthetic value. Na the furniture also modulated for commercial purposes. If you look at China, most of their furniture is kina miragi. Even the toothpicks that you're using here, miragi ni hudagiro for fencing, very important. Na noigwa what ni shoot yemwe another 12
shoots
within like less than 2 months. Once it grows to a mature tree, na irafatara miaka 5
immature
and irafatara very big space. Then kedu kege with Abadia's conservation action group nitwarora uhoro wa the Zaina area nitudilaga na andu anya wasiko muno uhoro wa conserve river channel niyo servicaga Coca-Cola Highlands, most of the institutions here and the whole of Nyeri actually na maima Nyawasco ni ukini mathaka muno. I'm very proud about Nyawasco to do dadini akiuta wira ku. He was one of the pioneer directors and I'm very proud about it. Ni maruta wira mwega. In fact, I always say county government should echo their baby Nyawasco because they are on point. So ntuola horo conservation ya kiria ya the Zaina area who conserve mai and now we are trying. You remember Nyayo's time? Hede Nyayo re adumesh le gini for so horo terracing these steep areas. Terracing is so important no horo who conserve teri na kiria ku ensure there is infiltration of water into the ground gather gutia ukona siltation ginya kiria maini machania the Chania river. So and of course ni ukihanda mikiria miragi na mitegi. Even indigenous they are still welcome, but miragi ni do fast tracking any degradation that is there. So that is my love and my passion.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is the works that I do. Apart from now the career wīra ma fegi draruta. Yes. Kumakira.
Wakira fegi. Are you limited to banks?
No. Me, I'm very open. But why I say that I've limited myself to the private sector because of consistency and timely payments. And of course, recommendations.
In case Modurago the would be interested in your service.
Yeah, we do paintworks. We do ATM installations. Miakoyo, the tiling, interior, decor. Yes, that's what we do. Yeah.
Okay. Very nice.
Yes.
Okay. So that's your dream.
Yes, having a greenery, but the late Professor Wangari Maathai, she outdid herself. She did very well. And the tree coverage is beautiful. Even the sites that we are seeing here. And then people are very open about planting trees. So challenge guys, every quarter like 3 months. Actually, umepanda at least miti 10. Don't leave it to us. Na doya matinagia miti. Ninye da kuma advice. Muno. Trees are living. So unokirega muti uko ukimenya it's a life that is going down. So be gentle with the trees. If you have to cut, plant 2. Or 2 gaga. Or plant your age. Na miti tuga ni God's pharmacy. I know it ya ginyamatawa. Modu agetariu hari muti witagwo mwiri akimtulanda the other day. It is only in the Mount Kenya forest na Abadeas that you hona yema maundu mahigo na nginya ũhoro wa prostate cancer. You just boil the bark na allergies. You just boil the bark na nĩ ũkũhona. But the minute wakũrũra mũtĩ ũcio, you have taken it away from it. Na sorry to say, I've seen it living. You need to give back. Giving back, I mean, no na toria ũtihagio, ũgekĩra antiseptic, no wekĩra bandage. Mũtĩ ũcio ũcaria gatĩri kau ke hakuhĩ. Preferably no ngĩona mai ma ng'ombe hau hakuhĩ. Haka hau weka ũrĩa gatĩri.
Nĩ hagũcoka muoyo.
Well, it is like saying asante, thank you for the back that you've given me. Yes. Okay. So let's just learn to respect the trees.
Okay. Very good.
Yes. So nĩ tũteithagia na ĩgatũhe maũndũ mathaka na nginya irio na ndawa It's good to give back.
Na rĩu having the background ya bengi
yes.
Indo ta tax nĩ wĩkagĩra andũ tax returns.
Nĩ njĩkaga.
Rĩngĩ kũ-apply-ra mũndũ tenders.
Yes. In fact, I teach people that one for free. I teach people, but of course now on another scale, even tax returns I do, by case by case. It is not the official job, but it's case by case.
Case by case.
No mudu geda uka wikiro tax returns. Okay. I will do them for you. Uhoro procurement procedures. I will teach you.
Okay. All right. So Angela, nĩ ũrĩ namba ya biacara ĩrĩa ũheaga ũmĩheanaga ĩrĩa ya biacara for all those things watarĩria haha.
Yes.
For those who are interested in nature, for those marenda gũkũhe wĩra wa mĩako, for mũndũ ũrenda gwĩkĩra twĩ mweri wa gũcokia mathabu maigoti.
Maigoti. Oh yes. How do you do it? Na nona kayari ũrĩa yũkĩrĩte na kunjo.
Mũndũ ũrenda kuonio ũhoro wa procurement procedures, kũiyũria tenders, all those.
Na pre-qualify. Nĩngona na namba. Soko no mĩoe mũndũ kũririkana 0724 225 259.
0724
225 259.
Na rĩu no wende mũndũ.
Njugire gũtirĩ mũndũ wendaga gũikara arĩ wika. No nyende. In fact, nĩ gĩkeno gĩakwa mũno. Mĩaka nĩ mĩthiangu. No nyende, but ingĩenda mũndũ gugate wĩiga, you're coming to add value to me. The same value I'm going to add to you is the same value I would expect from you. Mũndũ understanding, mũndũ mugima, mature.
Mũndũ ũtarĩ na ithako.
Mũndũ wĩna
andũ mena ithako mũno.
Mũndũ ũtuĩte matua. I want to settle. Nĩ ndaigania gũthaka. I want to settle. I'm not saying it's going to be a boring experience, but we are very open-minded. But just be mature, be sensitive, be sympathetic. No korwo wendete Ngai.
True.
Ngai mbere
above all.
No, of course mũndũ gwĩtĩkĩra ciana ciakwa igĩrĩ. Na menya rũme maugaga we nĩ wendo oire ti acio. Oiko ndũ na ciana ciakwa
tigana nawe. Very true.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Angela. Thank you. Mwĩroreri rĩu nĩ wanyita why we needed to celebrate Angela. Nĩyo ndakwĩra, it is the ultimate sacrifice. Sacrifice area a mother makes for the sake of her children. Not to say ati atumia arĩa mararuta wĩra, you're not equal to the task. No, that is not what we have said. No gũkorwo kũrĩ ũrĩa you juggle your work na your motherhood na ũkahota gũcibalance. So let's be very clear on that. So tinauga tũtige wĩra twage kũruta mawĩra ati nĩ tondũ wa ciana, but we are just looking at when you needed to make a sacrifice, would you make it? Kĩu nĩkĩo kĩũria kĩrĩa tũkwendaga Angela atũcokerie na nĩ atũcokeria. So thank you so much, and we wish every other mother a happy belated Mother's Day. We really love you. We celebrate you. We see your efforts. We see your sacrifices. Nĩtũmenyaga nyina wa mũndũ nĩ ta Waiburi. Nĩwe ũhumbagĩra ciana ciake. Agacihe shade from rain, from sun, from all sorts of things. Ũguo nĩguo nyina wa mũndũ akoragwo ahana. So we really love you mothers, and we appreciate you. Na tũkamũhoera mũtũre matukũ maingĩ. So thank you Angela, wacoka wĩra-inĩ waku ũthereme. Ũrere twana twaku wega. Tũgakũkwo outshine.
Nĩguo ndĩrenda.
Na tuka outshine shosho wao.
Ini. Wane amarathimĩirio nao magathii aranci icio. Mathereme na mathereme.
Na mathereme biũ.
Yes.
Alright, reke tũhingĩre hau mwĩroreri. Ĩno nĩ metha ya Kagoni. Tuma na mũndũ wĩtwo Barago na Bilha handũ-inĩ hao. Nĩ njĩtagwo Monica Kagoni.